Hi friends, there is a lot of hype about the supposed health benefits of detox water. Yes, staying hydrated is very important for the health. Therefore, it is often recommended that you drink 8 glasses of water every day. However, some people think that extra ingredients in water boosts its health benefits. The result is called as detox water. It is said to help your body get rid of toxins, improve your energy levels, and help you to lose the weight. Here is the detailed look about the detox water. It separates the true healing benefits from its myths. Detox water has been infused with the flavors of fresh fruits, vegetables, or herbs. It is sometimes referred to as fruit infused water or fruit flavored water. You can make detox water easily at home with a lot of different ways using any of the combination of fruits, vegetables, and herbs that you would like. Because it is made of infusing flavor rather than juicing or blending them, detox water contains very few calories. That makes it a popular drink for detox regimes like lemon detox or master cleanse. Detox water is also often recommended in weight loss plans, especially in place of high sugar drinks like sugary soda or fruit juice that we generally take in. Detox water is made by infusing water with fruits, vegetables, and herbs. You can make this easily at your home with the various varieties, as I have said. So, in today's session, in this video, you will go to see we have given different types of detox water that you could easily make at home uh, to get started. Uh, here is the first. Here is a day one recipe for you for detox. You could chop your apples and use little bit of uh, cinnamon cinnamon sticks and put it into the water and have it every day. And the second day you could start up with slicing some lemons and lime which is green in color, and you could slice out some grapefruits along with the cucumber slices and put everything into the water and have a very flavored water. For the day 3, you could use mandarin slices and the blueberries infused into the water. You could have a great flavored drink for day 3. And for the day 4, you could use watermelon slices along with the mint leaves, strawberries, all infused into the water containing a can, and you could have a great flavored drink as well. On the day 5, you could use the grapefruit, cucumber slices, strawberries, mints, and all of them infused in the water and have a great drink, cheering drink. For the day 6, you could use lemon slices, cucumber slices, ginger slices, all infused into the water, drinking water, and have a great drink, great and healthier drink. So there are a lot of benefits of items, and if you see, there is a lot of repetition of the items that we are using. We are getting all of them used on a regular basis with no item getting repeated next day, because you would get a great flavors. For the day 7, you could use watermelon along with cucumber, lemon, orange slices, all infused into the water and have a great tasty drink. So keeping them soaked for the long time, it will give you the great benefits. And for the first time, we are introducing turmeric, tulsi, holy or basil leaves, and honey, which can be 4 tablespoons for around 4 liters of water. So The reason why we got turmeric is it has lot of health benefits. It can cure the cancer, it can heal the wounds within the body, and it can also remove the fat in the body. And tulsi is a very famous herbal leaf, and honey also lightens your body and reduces the aging factor, and also improves the blood pressure, and it is all of these things have lot of medicinal values, so please consider having it regularly. For the day 9, you could use the mango slices, ginger slices, uh, soaked into the water, and you could have a great detox drink. And for the day 10, we suggest you use the orange slices along with the raspberries and soaked in the water. The reason why we try to bring many of the things, because every day if you are trying to have one particular flavor, you would not feel very happy, or you may stop continuing taking these things. So that's why we suggest you to try different fruits and flavors, so as to keep you healthy and refreshed all the while. And finally, for the day 11, we would suggest lemon slices along with the pineapple and coriander leaves. This also has lot of health benefits. It helps in internal cleansing of your organs, as well as purifying your blood and providing you a great health benefit. Pineapple is also good for the people who are having diabetic and various things, and coriander leaves is very good for the hair, and it also purifies the blood, and lemon removes the cholesterol in the body, and it acts as a great detoxing agent, which when all of these things are soaked into the water, and when you have this flavored water, it gives you a really cherishing effect. So finally, before I would conclude, I would like to say that there's several health benefits of drinking water may help you to lose weight, and this applies to the detox water too. Water has been shown as a temporary raise of metabolic rate, so that you can burn more calories. Studies have shown that drinking 17 cups of water, that would increase the metabolic rate up to the 30% of your health. In fact, people who drink the recommended amount of water as a part of weight loss program tend to lose more weight than those who don't drink the water. One study found out that overweight adults who drink around 17 cups of water before their meals lost around 40% of their weight than those who didn't. This can be partially explained by raising metabolism, but many also due to the effect of water in their appetite. Drinking water has been linked to reduce hunger, so if you drink water before meals, you will eat less, and it will also improve your digestive health. So finally, we have seen great recipes of detox water. You should be doing all these detox combinations. If you cover thrice a month, you would have covered the whole cycle of what we have presented right now. So this would help you to lose the weight, and it would help you to reduce the toxins in your body and balance the pH of the body with better digestive health, and increase your immune functionality, and it would also result in improving your mood towards working, and it will also increase your energy levels, which is very much essential for you, and stay charming, cheerful and happy. And finally, it also helps, the detoxification helps in increasing the complexion. It improves your complexion, and it gives brightness to your skin, and your aging factor would be reduced. So if you would have liked this particular video, please thumbs up, share and comment, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. We are very happy to see you in our next videos and connect with more interesting topics. You can also connect to the social platforms on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram and in the given links. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Start your detox thing right away. Thank you. Bye.